Turn him around.
Go to Daddy.
Let's do this.
Go to Daddy. Oh, you want to hold? You don't need Mommy. You can hold onto this and walk all by yourself.
Uh-oh. Turn around.
Did you walk over to those shoes?
Yeah, we started. I started.
You did. It was your mom's idea.
So Laura,
Yeah.
you holding him, let him learn,
Yeah.
and he start having more fun. And
Okay.
are you good? Slow, 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 slow.
No,
Go back.
he doesn't do slow. Crash.